Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download TradeStation application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video right away. First of all, go and open your Play Store on your Android phone and go to the search box and type in TradeStation. Once you make a search for the application, in the search result, pick this application from TradeStation Technologies. Tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your Android, which will take a few minutes depending upon your internet speed that is connected. So always make sure to connect to a stable internet while downloading the application so that you can get it installed within a few minutes. After the application is downloaded and installed, you will need to tap on the open button to open the app on your Android phone. So that's how easily you can download the TradeStation application for your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.